What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Samsung laptops to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro is a powerful and versatile laptop designed for individuals who value speed, productivity, and high-quality visuals. It features a stunning 16-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800, providing jaw-dropping clarity and an immersive viewing experience. With a slim and lightweight design, the Galaxy Book 3 Pro is perfect for users who are always on the go. It offers a powerful processor designed by Intel, ideal for fast-paced lifestyles and for helping users accomplish their ambitions. The laptop boasts a long-lasting battery life of up to 19 hours, allowing users to stay productive throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy Book 3 Pro offers Bluetooth, USB, and HDMI options, providing seamless connections to various devices. It also includes Thunderbolt 4 and a microSD slot, offering additional connectivity and expandable storage options. The laptop prioritizes security with advanced features such as Galaxy Book Security and a fingerprint reader, ensuring secure access to your laptop and protecting your private information. Furthermore, the Galaxy Book 3 Pro is packed with useful features including a high-quality video camera for crisp and clear video calls, a full HD webcam, a studio-worthy microphone, and quad AKG speakers for a superb audio experience. It also provides ample storage space with up to 1 TB of built-in storage, with the option to expand it further using a microSD card. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro combines power, portability, stunning display technology, long battery life, advanced security features, and ample storage capacity, making it an excellent choice for professionals and individuals who require a high-performance laptop to stay productive on the go. The Samsung Galaxy Book Go is a sleek and powerful laptop designed to enhance your productivity and connectivity. With a 14-inch screen and a stylish silver color, this laptop combines portability with sophistication. It features a hard disk size of 128 GB, providing ample storage space for your files and documents. The Snapdragon CPU model and 4 GB of RAM deliver fast and responsive performance, allowing you to multitask and run applications smoothly. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Book Go is its impressive battery life. With up to 18 hours of usage on a fully charged battery, you can stay productive throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. This extended battery life is ideal for professionals on the go or students attending classes. The Galaxy Book Go also offers seamless integration with other Samsung Galaxy devices. You can connect it to your phone or tablet, use it as a second screen, share documents with QuickShare, and even play mobile games on its larger display. This level of integration enhances your overall productivity and allows you to transition seamlessly between work and personal tasks. Furthermore, the Galaxy Book Go is designed to be lightweight, durable, and shockproof. Its 180-degree hinge adds convenience, and the laptop's compact size makes it highly portable. Whether you're working from home or on the move, this laptop is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. With Windows 11 Home as the operating system, the Galaxy Book Go provides a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of applications. It also offers better Wi-Fi connectivity with Wi-Fi 5, ensuring fast and smooth internet access while on the go. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Book Go is a powerful and versatile laptop that combines style, performance, and long battery life. Its compact and durable design, along with its integration with other Galaxy devices, makes it a great choice for professionals and students who need a reliable and portable computing solution. The Samsung Chromebook 2 is a powerful and stylish laptop that offers impressive performance and a sleek design. With a 13.3-inch screen and a vibrant color, this Chromebook stands out from the crowd. It comes with a 128GB hard disk, providing ample storage space for your files and documents. Equipped with a Core i3 CPU and 8GB of RAM, the Samsung Chromebook 2 delivers fast and efficient performance, making it ideal for work, study, and leisure activities. The laptop runs on Chrome OS, providing a secure and user-friendly operating system. It features integrated Intel UHD graphics, ensuring smooth visuals and graphics performance. The Samsung Chromebook 2 has been awarded the title of Best Chromebook by CNN_, further highlighting its quality and excellence. It offers Wi-Fi 6GB plus connectivity, delivering faster and more reliable internet speeds. One standout feature of the Chromebook 2 is its all-day battery life, allowing you to stay productive on the go without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're working, studying, or relaxing, this laptop is designed to keep up with your demands. In summary, the Samsung Chromebook 2 combines power, speed, and style to provide an exceptional computing experience. With its 10th Gen Intel Core processing, sleek design, long-lasting battery, and impressive connectivity options, it offers everything you need to stay productive and connected throughout the day. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha is a top-tier 2-in-1 laptop that offers high-quality features and a stunning design. With a 13.3-inch QLED touchscreen display, this laptop delivers vivid colors at 100% color volume, ensuring an immersive viewing experience in any lighting condition. Powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, the Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha provides exceptional performance for work, play, and entertainment throughout the day. With 16GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, you have ample memory and storage space to handle demanding tasks and store your files and multimedia. The laptop runs on Windows 10 Home and features an integrated graphics card, providing smooth visuals and graphics performance. Its ultra-slim 2-in-1 design allows you to easily switch between laptop and tablet modes, offering versatility for different usage scenarios. Additionally, the Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha comes with a backlit keyboard, enabling comfortable typing in low-light environments. It weighs only 1.19 kilograms, making it highly portable and suitable for on-the-go use. Furthermore, the laptop offers enhanced connectivity within the Galaxy ecosystem, allowing seamless integration with other Galaxy devices such as Buds and tablets. The super-fast charging battery provides up to 17 hours of usage on a single charge, ensuring you can accomplish your tasks and enjoy entertainment wherever and whenever you want. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha combines powerful performance, a vibrant display, and a versatile design to deliver an exceptional computing experience. Its high-quality features, including the 2-in-1 functionality, Intel Core i7 processor, ample memory and storage, backlit keyboard, and long-lasting battery, make it a compelling choice for users seeking a premium laptop for work and entertainment purposes. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 is a powerful and versatile laptop designed to enhance productivity and provide a seamless user experience. With its 15.6-inch screen size and sleek silver design, it offers a combination of style and performance. Equipped with a Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics, the Galaxy Book 3 delivers premium performance and smooth graphics, making it ideal for multitasking and demanding tasks. The laptop comes with 16GB of RAM memory, ensuring efficient multitasking capabilities, and a 16GB hard disk size for ample storage space. The laptop boasts a long-lasting battery with a capacity of 54 watt-hours, allowing users to stay productive on the go without the need for frequent charging. It also offers a range of ports for easy connectivity, ensuring that users can connect their devices and accessories with ease. The Galaxy Book 3 features a high-quality HD webcam with Dolby Atmos, ensuring crisp and clear video calls for professional communication. It provides an immersive visual experience with its full HD screen, delivering vibrant and detailed visuals. Additionally, the Galaxy Book 3 offers ample storage capacity with 512 gigabytes of built-in storage, and it can be further expanded up to 2 terabytes using a micro SD card. This allows users to store and access their files conveniently.